begin with the cliche intro, but just want to thank you all so much for supporting me all the time. I don't think I would have completed one whole year on YouTube and the 34 videos I have made so far. That's because of all the support that you have given me by subscribing, liking, share, commenting, DMing, everything that you have done, each little word that maybe on any social media platform that has made me happy every single day and kept me going. And I'm running out of words actually, because I don't really know what to say right now, because 1 year is a big deal actually. I began with it right in the lockdown. We can say we are in lockdown right now, and yes, it's 1 year. I still do not believe, and I would just like to say that keep supporting in the future as well as you have been doing, because that's what keeps me going, keeps any creator going. If you like a creator, support them by commenting, liking, share, whatever you like to do. Like, you know the drill, right? So I know I'm running out of words and I'm making mistakes dramatically, but whatever. In today's video we are going to make cakes, paint cakes. Now, number one reason, of course, it's our birthday, so we are going to paint cakes. But apart from that fact, we are going to make, because we want to justify the title, cook with brush. Yes, if you have been here for a while, you might just know for a fact why it's cook with brush and not brush. Basically, this channel used to be a cooking painting channel, but not anymore. But yeah, we will keep on doing whatever we used to, like painting. Yeah, so without further more delay, let's get into the video. guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next. And also, once again, thank you so much for all the love and support. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.